Hey, what's up guys? Joey Wheeler here bringing you another Yu-Gi-Oh opening, and this time I'll be doing a booster pack opening. And this time I have 4 packs of Duelist pack Rivals of the Pharaoh and 2 Dragons Unleashed. So I'll be starting off with the Duelist pack Rivals of the Pharaoh. So let's get started. And sorry I haven't been uploading as much, but I've been really busy. So sorry for not posting. So we got a Dragon Shrine and a bunch of random commons. Did I say Dragon Shrine? I meant a Dragon Smear. A Silent Magician, Red Gadget, Dark Necrophia, Stronghold, the Moving Fortress, and the Fiend Sanctuary. Next pack, we got the Blue Eyes Shining Dragon, Spirit A, Destiny Board, Green Gadget, the Dragon Master Knight, but no foils yet. It's not looking good. Come on, Lady Luck, don't fail me now. We got Yellow Gadget, Spirit Message N, Silent Swordsman, Neutron Blast, and Thousand Eyes Restrict. So at least we pulled 1 foil. Next up, we got the Dragons of Legend Unleashed. Let's see what we can pull from there. Oh, why did I put the commons there? Come on, man. Come on, Joey. Some Reaper Scythe, Mirror Force Dragon, I'm not sure what that is, number card, some Calligrapher, Galaxy Stealth Dragon. That's a cool card. I'll put these other foils over here. These are my rares. And final pack. Yep. We got Tamias, Knight of Destiny, Soul Charge, Hand Holding Genie, Flower Gathering, and another Galaxy Stealth Dragon. Alright, and I believe that will be it for my pack opening. And if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will have more videos coming soon.